If calm feels boring and anxiety feels like chemistry, it's not because you're addicted to drama. It's because your nervous system learned to associate intensity with connection. Welcome back. Tina Bridgettini here. This is episode 2 of the Relationship Trauma Healing Series, where we gently unpack relationship patterns without blame and without reliving the past. And you don't need to analyze yourself while watching. Just let your body listen. I hear many people say, I only feel attracted when there's intensity. If it's calm, I lose interest. And I know relationship isn't healthy, but it feels magnetic. That pull isn't random. It's your nervous system responding to activation, not intimacy. So when you grow up in environments where love was unpredictable, where affection came and went, where you had to stay alert to stay connected, your nervous system learned that activation equals closeness. So anxiety feels like excitement. Waiting feels like longing. Uncertainty feels like desire, and calm calm can feel unfamiliar. This doesn't mean that something's wrong with you. It means that your body learned connection through intent. So here's what I want you to hear today. You're not too much. You're not emotionally addicted. You're not broken. Your nervous system is doing exactly what it was trained to do. And anything that was learned can be gently relearned. The real intimacy doesn't spike the nervous system, it steadies it. Healthy connection often feels calm, predictable, spacious, slightly unfamiliar at first. Not because it's boring, but because your body is learning something new. So here's a gentle somatic practice for you. Place one hand on your chest and ask yourself softly, what does calm connection feel like in my body right now? You don't need an answer. Your nervous system is already listening. In the next episode, we'll talk about why you lose yourself in relationships and how self-abandonment becomes survival strategy, not a flaw. And this awareness changes everything. You don't need to chase intensity to feel alive. Your body is learning a new definition of safety. I'll see you in the next video.